Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is another installation of hashtag 30 Days of Why. This is a series I'm doing on this channel where I take you through all the whys of my unique journey, why I joined, why I love it, what makes us different. So today I'm talking about our mission and purpose. And you might think that is the same thing, but there is a distinction. So if you're interested in hearing about what our mission is and what our purpose is, please keep watching. Okay, so before we get into what our mission is, I just kind of wanted to say that I filmed a bunch of these videos before this COVID-19 thing happened, and just editing them after all of this has happened, it kind of seemed awkward. So I'm refilming like 3 videos, and then I'll continue. But I kind of just wanted to address it a little bit. We're kind of just in weird times, you guys. Like, I'm working from home, which I never thought I would do in the job that I have, because I work for the military in a classified environment. Like, doing it from home is kind of strange, but social distancing is strange. I think people are going not out of their minds, but people's anxiety is heightened. People are homeschooling their kids and they never thought they would do that. So lots of big changes, and I hope you're healthy and maintaining your mental health as well as your physical health, finding things that bring joy. Speaking of finding things that bring joy, Younique for me is something that brings so much joy. So if you watched the first video in the series, I went over like what my mindset was when I decided to hit the button and join. And before that, I was on an opportunity call and they went over the mission to uplift, empower, and validate men and women around the world. And I thought that mission was so amazing. It's really one of the reasons why I joined, because I wanted to spread that mission to everybody that I can touch with this platform, with makeup, and making people feel more confident, making people feel more beautiful. But as I worked my business, I learned, that that's just only a short version of our mission. Uplift, empower, and validate. Like all companies, we have a longer mission, but that, those 3 words are really easy to memorize and ingrain and then kind of shout out there. But our full mission is this. Younique's mission is to uplift, empower, validate, and ultimately build self-esteem in women around the world through high-quality products that encourage both inner and outer beauty and spiritual enlightenment, while also providing opportunities for personal growth and financial reward. That is a mission that I can truly stand behind. And then I learned that, besides their mission, they also had a purpose for founding this company. As I started working my business more and more, I learned more about the founders, what their why is for starting the company. And when I found out their purpose, aside from their mission of starting this company, it made me fall in love with this company even more. So aside from, our mission to uplift, empower, and validate men and women around the world, this company was founded for the purpose of combating childhood sexual abuse. So Derek Maxfield and Melanie Huscroft had this vision that they would start this company to establish an organization called the Younique Foundation. The Younique Foundation is this amazing organization to help women heal from childhood sexual abuse. The staggering statistic is that 1 in 4 females will have been sexually abused by the time they turn 18, and 1 in 6 boys will be sexually abused by the time they turn 18. So about 1 in 5 is the statistic, and it absolutely breaks my heart because it's more common than you think it is. And I was driving around the other day thinking about one of my friends who had posted about her friend that had cancer. And I'm like, man, I feel like everybody knows somebody that has cancer. But I also think that everybody knows somebody that has been sexually abused. But the difference is that they don't know that they know somebody who's been sexually abused, because it's something that they keep inside. It's something that they let eat at them for however long that they keep it inside. They don't tell anybody because there's a lot of shame associated with it. That topic is very taboo, and that's why I appreciate this foundation and Younique so much for bringing this issue to light and to help eradicate it, because it's something that's so prolific in the US and more so in actually other countries. But there's so much healing that needs to be done, and I'm so proud to be a part of a company that promotes that healing. And the way we do that is through the Haven Retreat. The Haven Retreat is a 4-day retreat. There are 2 locations, one in the mountains of Salt Lake City and another one is in Georgia, and you can apply through the website and they'll get back to you with dates that you can attend, and you just need to get yourself there, and the retreat is free from there. And I actually have a very good friend who grew up as my cousin, but as Filipinos go, like everybody that's Filipino is your cousin. I don't think she's actually a blood cousin, but she is my cousin, and she's a yestie. She's on my team. We are very close. Came out to me 3 years ago. I pair people on my team that I think would work well, that would motivate each other, that have different skill sets, and just so happens that these 2 women had the same experience, or not had the same experience, but experienced the same thing. And my cousin, I'm gonna keep calling her my cousin because that's just what she is to me. My cousin came out, I think at the time she was 30, no, she was in her 40s when she told her parents, and when she came out publicly that she was sexually abused. And it was, for me, it was so heartbreaking to watch her. She does this video. She actually went live on Facebook, and you could just tell how nervous she was. It's a huge thing to come out like that on a very public platform like Facebook. And I actually edited her video for her because I just wanted people to see the message and to see her reveal this news. I am so proud of her because she applied for the retreat, went there, an incredible experience. And the thing that I love about the retreat that I learned through her is that they learn so many coping skills, and the techniques that they learn and the support groups that are created and the bonds that are forged, it's just unbreakable. And something like that will always endear me to this company, because I've seen it with my own eyes. Somebody that was very close to me be affected by this opportunity, and because of Younique, she learned about the Haven Retreat, and on to her journey of healing, which is so important for so many people. And to see that burden lift off her shoulders when she came out with the news, and also just the person that she became after she went to the retreat was absolutely amazing. Like, I feel like she found her purpose in life, her drive again. And it was just an incredible thing to see firsthand. And then a couple of months later, we went to convention, and just to see Shalane and thank her for running such an amazing retreat and an amazing organization. So not only do we have the Younique Foundation, but we also have Defend Innocence, which is a platform for parents and for anybody who has children in their lives. Before I had my own kids, I had a ton of nieces and nephews, mostly nephews, because my generation is all girls, and then now they're coming out all boys. But it's a great resource for anybody who deals with children, who has children, to learn how to talk to your children about those issues, learn how to create safe environments, learn how to have those really tough conversations. But yeah, I didn't mean for this video to be so not a downer, but so serious. But I take our mission and our purpose seriously. And I hope you have an insight as to why I love this company so much. I've been doing this for almost 6 years, and there's a lot of negative things about direct sales and multi-level marketing, but I think that when you dig into the reasons why people don't like it so much, that is very personal and not so much because of the industry. I think it's a lack of understanding and education, and that's why I wanted to do these videos and make them public on YouTube so people can see a different side to direct sales and multi-level marketing. Because for me, it's a creative outlet. It's a place to meet new people. I work in a very male-dominated industry. It's a great way for me to meet other like-minded women, and even non-like-minded women. I've made some friends who I would never have met otherwise. So I just wanted to change the conversation on YouTube, because there's a lot of people binging like direct sales horror story videos, and I just wanted to be a positive voice out there. But yeah, that is our mission, to uplift, empower, and validate. And our purpose for founding the company was to found the Younique Foundation and defend innocence. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys found this video enlightening and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button. And I will list all the things that are on my face in the comments below. And I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, and healthy. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.